Welcome to the Quality Schooling Framework, also called the QSF. The California Department of Education developed the QSF to assist educators as they work to ensure that the students in their schools learn and thrive. This video will discuss guidelines for building teams with a clear, specific focus on student learning and accomplishing intended outcomes. Building strong leadership teams within a district, school, or department is crucial to prepare and to support the implementation of new plans and initiatives. These teams, representing the district community, are the key planners and communicators for change. When identifying potential members for the team, follow a selection process with clear criteria. Consider individuals for this team who can champion the group's decisions enthusiastically and commit relevant experience and subject expertise, district-wide, school-wide, and classroom perspectives as needed, facilitation and other group skills, such as note-taking, leading inclusive discussions, and strong communication skills, time and energy, strong, respectful stakeholder relationships, critical and constructive views, and ideas to advance student learning outcomes. Having a diverse mix of people on the team ensures that different and innovative perspectives are considered in the planning and implementation of the group's work. And having teams with individuals who possess diverse strengths can impact outcomes for students. Once the team has been selected, clearly establish the team's role and essential purpose. Communicate to the members whether they are part of one or several work groups. Given the purpose of the group, engage the existing team members in determining if additional members or stakeholders need to be invited to participate. As the work of the group moves forward, consider whether the existing team can be expanded to include wider representation and to avoid duplication of effort in achieving the new team purpose. This level of transparency and preparation is essential for the team to achieve its intended outcomes. Provide clarity about goals and expectations for individual participation. Make sure members clearly understand the team's role. The role may be to generate ideas, provide input, propose a strategy, make critical decisions, or actively implement a strategy. Also, communicate the length of time expected to achieve team objectives. Specifics such as a calendar of meetings and a work plan with targeted tasks and completion timeframes will assist possible participants in accepting or applying for membership. Once roles and responsibilities are clear, establish agreements for how the team will interact, communicate with others in the district, and prepare for the next meeting. To ensure the team realizes productive and engaging communication, team members may hold one another accountable for participation using a variety of interactive strategies. These guidelines for interaction and teamwork may be developed collaboratively, and they may be selected from a variety of resources. During meetings, regularly spend time building trust to nurture positive working relationships, which supports team communication and decision-making. To maintain interest and encourage member participation during meetings, commit to concrete initial steps and outcomes on the path to larger priorities. Develop a confidence in using data to define and address problems and assess progress. Celebrate and build upon successes. Communicate progress with stakeholders. Acknowledge challenges and proactively collaborate to overcome these challenges. Be responsive to group needs and ongoing member feedback. Conducting effective meetings requires planning and preparation. Well-planned meetings keep members on task, focused on the issues, and energized to maintain momentum. Varying the structure of meetings encourages team engagement. Incorporating objectives and desired outcomes helps develop a shared sense of priorities and shows respect for people's time and willingness to serve on the team. Adapting agendas in response to feedback from the prior meeting validates members' needs and perspectives and promotes trust in the process. Facilitators play a crucial role in the success of the team's work. The facilitator should feel prepared to provide clear directions during processes and monitor progress during activities. Effective facilitators employ strategies that guide the team to reflect and consider modifications or other approaches. The facilitator's responsibilities include making sure all voices are heard, establishing and maintaining the tone of the meeting, ensuring individuals do not dominate the proceedings, managing conflict in productive ways, and helping hold participants accountable for work to be completed between meetings. The facilitator acknowledges challenges and is responsive to group needs and ongoing member feedback. Most importantly, the facilitator upholds a student-centered vision in achieving outcomes and leads the group in celebrating and building upon successes. Facilitating a meeting provides an opportunity to engage motivated emergent leaders in a role that fosters leadership capacity and prepares for eventual leadership transitions. Of course, the individual leading the team can facilitate meetings or the team's work, or the role of facilitator can switch among members to build the team's facilitation capacity. While alternating this role can develop leadership skills, promote sustainable improvement, and support eventual leadership transitions, this rotation typically requires additional time for role clarification, preparation, and training. To support leadership in building effective teams, the Leaders element on the QSF provides a variety of resources. Additionally, the resources associated with this video include a discussion guide that provides ideas for using this video with current and future leaders. Thank you for viewing this discussion of practices for building effective teams.